Yes, we are going to do it on my bed. Suck in some helium.
Yeah.
I'll take that guitar with me.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
It just goes up.
They call it helium.
This is gonna mean it's really like forceful because
Here's what
they're
you do.
so like new.
Oh.
Old helium tastes bad.
Helium tastes bad, period.
No, you can't taste it. You think you can.
Okay. I'm gonna try it out. If you want to use my keys, you can do it.
I already pulled the ribbon off.
Yeah.
Well, whatever.
Mine's already open.
Mine's not, guys. Stop having it.
Well, hurry up, because
I
this
have
is
like
taking
nails.
up time.
Really
Can I try it?
long.
Do the keys.
What do you mean?
Alright, do it like this. Or hold it like this.
Can I try this, y'all?
Hold up,
Can I try
and then poke it. Not yet, hold on.
Why?
Do it with us.
Mine's already open though.
Let's have conversation.
I don't know how to do it. Can I try? Do you have to like
Yeah,
breathe in
yeah.
and then breathe out?
There you go, there you go.
That's not enough. I need it like
You breathe
totally
in.
off. Because I like to suck in a lot at once.
Well,
You have to take large breaths. You know,
Really? Like what do you mean? I don't
Like-
like last time it didn't work.
Like
I do.
like it's a drug or something. Okay, let's just start and have
Okay.
conversation.
ready?
Yeah.
No, it's not working.
Suck in a lot. Like
Okay, so how are you guys doing?
Like, oh my god! Okay, so I'm like,
That started really scary.
We just went to Harris Theater and I got me some Skittles.
Get off the balloon.
The balloons. The balloons. Oh, I get.
I can't stop laughing.
You're getting up there. What did you do it?
I got me some chips and some Germax. Some Germax.
I want to do it.
Tell me something to say. Tell me something.
I like to do it.
give it.
I like to dip it in cheese sauce.
Thanks for telling me that I
I like to dip it in cheese sauce because cheese sauce is like the best.
Oh my gosh.
Like, y'all, I don't even know if this is working.
You don't even sound like Rebecca.
Like, oh my gosh, helium is totally safe to breathe in. My lungs are not very happy right now.
Oh, way to do it. I'm almost out.
I wear flip-flops all winter.
Hold on, I'm gonna try to say what this is.
Say it like.
You still got a lot. I got like,
We met strangers at Harris Theater. Strangers.
You sound like a 4-year-old.
Okay,
Um,
say tell me
I don't know.
something funny that would be funny.
some Drano. I got
Be
used
like, actually, I had 7 cow babies.
Actually, I had 7 cow babies, and then they had babies, and they could all talk when they were born.
They got fixed.
Actually, all babies want to get born.
We still keep filming. Oh,
I mean, you have so much
No, just tell me something to say. Like,
Such a freaking job, banana.
Jeez, oh crap. Jeez, banana, shut your friggin' gob.
Go see Juno. You'll get it.
I don't know if I stopped. Okay, one last thing to close it off.
I know, sucking all of
Yeah, one last thing. Come on.
it.
And you have to be quiet.
What's something really funny to everybody?
I'm a fire in the laser.
I'm a fire in the laser.